He'll get tight. Okay, let him run if he wants to go, okay, Bob? He's gonna get mad once more, I think.
How many shook you on the box?
Let go of the reel if he wants to go, okay?
10 and 10.
Yeah, let him go, see? Yeah, don't hold on to it or he'll snap the line. Yeah, he doesn't like it. Doesn't like being reeled in. And as soon as that flasher comes out, keep it really tight, reel really fast.
So what's your same depth?
Yep, 5866. Both rods go in.
Boy. Yeah, we got that one at.
Reel.
And we're rolling.
Reel.
5-3, another one.
Okay, don't hold on if he wants to go, okay?
I'll see that fish back. I want that fish back.
You'll get him. Plugging away. Less and less traffic out here now. That's a good thing.
Keep reeling. Keep it tight. You're doing great.
One right turn ran from this little blondie over here. Got a good view.
Keep it tight, Bob. You're doing perfect. I got the net.
Can't believe you almost ran away.
Yeah. You're doing perfect, Bob.
Take a couple steps back.
Don't get a snook. Maybe it might again.
Yeah, he doesn't like being reeled in, Bob.
Next bit again.
Turn.
Keep plugging away. They'll come.
Turn. Okay.
I'm 14 over here.
Keep turning. Bob, walk that way. Keep going. Let him go. You're doing great, Bob. You don't. No.
What you do?
Tip up. Keep it off the boat. Walk this way. Okay, tip up. Shit. He's right here. Tip up, baby.
Yeah,
Fuck yeah! Fuck yeah, Bob.
Can I take it over here?
Yeah.
There.
Why am I not a size CCA?
Fuck yeah, Bob.
That's a beauty.
Fuck yeah, boys. Ah! Yeah, baby. Roscoe's here. Holy shit. You did perfect, Bob. That was amazing. I'm all shaky.
Well, boy, you hate to see you get it up to the hook and flip that hook out. Oh, that's terrible.
He was hooked pretty good. Woo! Yeah, Bob. Woo!